Welcome to Find Your Kalm. Hello. This morning in the mail I got my books. We decided that if I was going to get an RV, I would try my darndest to learn how to operate it and take care of it and do the maintenance on it. So I got in touch with the RVDA, the RV Dealers Association, and I asked them, what is it going to take for me to be a technician? What would it take for me to learn how to take care of these incredible machines? And they told me about a program. So I ordered the books. I've got a couple of months before the RV gets delivered, and I thought I'd try to learn all I can. After I'm done all the course and all the books, it's a small fee. They let you take the test, and if you take the test, then you get certified. Level 1, able to do pre-trip inspections and things like that, and a general understanding of all the different components in an RV. So I thought I'd show you guys the books. My first one is Introduction to RV Service. My second one is the Pre-Delivery Inspection. Goes over all the different details of if it's a motor coach or if it's a fifth wheel, some of the appliances to check, all the different services. You know, we talk about the Grand Design and the 241 PDI, pre-delivery inspection. This book's going to show me how to do that. The next book is Preventive Maintenance. Sounds like a great idea. Shows you how to take care of the seals and things and the slides and all the moving parts. The next book, The Electrical System. Shows you all the differences between 30 amp, 50 amp, DC, AC, solar. Number 5 is Propane Systems. Number 6, the plumbing systems. Kind of crazy, the thickest one of them all. Air conditioners. Number 8 is refrigerators. Number 9 is water heaters, ranges, cooktops. Number 11 is heating appliances. Another good sized one is generators. Not everybody has a generator, but it's going to be nice to be able to take care of the one that I'm getting. Number 13, brakes, suspension, and towing. And the last one, hydraulics. The books are pretty laid out nice and show you all the diagrams, show you what you need to do. There's one that shows you what kind of tools you're going to need, what kind of test tools you have to create or make in order to do the things, where things should be, don't overfill the fluids, things like that. Then they have review questions on the back of them, and then they even have the answers and everything else in the back to help you study and help you get your level 1 certification. I think it was well worth it, well worth the money, that I'll be able to study the things that I need to study, a general understanding of what I got myself into, you know, what the RV is and what it's going to take care of it. It's definitely a large investment, and I think what I spent for the books was a smart investment. So we'll keep in touch. I got a couple months to study, got a couple months to do all the things that I need to do. Keep everybody informed. I passed the test, I get my certification. I'll let you guys know. That's about it. I hope you have a great day, and I hope you guys find your calm. Thank you.